Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a free logo using an online website. This is completely free. All you need to do is register to the website and then you can create a logo for yourself. So very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is go to your favorite browser and search for Design Evo. Now this is a website through which you can create a free logo for yourself. There are a multitude of templates that you can choose from and it's very easy to make a logo. So once you're in the website, just register, because if you want to download the template or the logo, you will need to register. That is a new feature of this app. Before this, it wasn't necessary for you to register, but yeah, you have to register now. And once you have done that, click on make a logo. Once you click on that, you will see all these different themes on the left side. You can see abstract, animal, and pet. These are all the themes of the logos. Let's say I want to make an automotive company, and these are all the logos that I could go for. Once you're happy with the template, just click on customize. And once you're here, you can edit the shape, the color of the shape, or even the font of the logo name. So once you're happy with all of this, make sure you put in a transparent background. Check this option because logos are very useful when they are in the PNG format, which is the transparent background format. Once you're done and you're happy with all the customization you've put around it, click on download. And once you click on that, click on download a low resolution free logo. It will suffice. You don't need an SVG. It is a little overkill. So once you're done that, click on download and agree. And it will give you a zip folder wherein it will give you a JPEG version and a PNG version of that logo. So yeah, that's pretty much on how you can create a logo online for free. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.